Hey gang, welcome to your 8-minute buns workout. All the exercises are guaranteed to be safe, effective, and fun. And we're going to start with a 2-minute warm-up, and then we're going to do 3 movements which are guaranteed to burn the buns. Now, let's get started. First exercise is the basic squat. Bring both hands out in front and just lower yourself to the ground right here. Nice and easy, like you're sitting in a chair. Don't do deep knee bends. This is a great leg shaper. It works the front of the thighs, the hamstrings, and that all-important gluteus maximus. Nice and easy. Legs are shoulder width apart. We're doing this for 30 seconds, gang. Nice and slow and controlled movements. There you go. Give me 5 more. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Now, slowly just stay there and just little short pops. Abdominals are nice and tight. Catch your balance. We're not doing deep knee bends. This is great for your legs. It's the best you can do. Slowly, slowly. Bring it up. And release. Okay, the next exercise is a lunge. Left leg out, right leg back. Place your hands on your hips for balance and just bring it down. This is called a lunge movement. Notice my knee does not go past my toe. That's very, very important. Abdominals nice and tight. You're breathing. Place it down. Place it down. Nice and easy. That's it. Slow and controlled. Very important. The knee does not go past the toe, gang. Very, very important. You're gonna warm up those buns real quick. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hold it right there. Now little short pops. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch them around. That's it. Right leg out, left leg back, and lunge again. These are stationary lunges. Notice, again, knee does not go past the toe. Abs are nice and tight. That's it. Your legs are going to look perfect. Very nice and easy. Good controlled movements. That's it. Give me 6 more. Here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it right there. Little short pops. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, let's bring it down. First exercise on your elbows and knees. This is called a butt kick. Left leg first. Bring it in and back out. Keep your abdominals nice and tight. Very important. You don't have to go up too high. That puts a lot of stress on the lower back. Bring it in and out. Slow and controlled movements. If you bring it too high, it puts a lot of stress on your lower back. Beginners, work yourself into this program. Pace yourself. We're going to go 45 seconds here, and then we're going to pop it up for 15. Nice and easy. That's it. Controlled movements. Bring it in and back out. Again, you don't have to go too high. You're going to really feel this in the buns, gang. That's it. Give me 10 more seconds of these. That's it. Squeeze tight and concentrate. What do you want the butt to look like? 1 more. And release. Now, leg is going to be popped up towards the ceiling. Bend the leg and just pop it up. That's it. Come on, 10 more seconds of these. These are fun. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, other side. Bring the leg all the way in and back out. Bring it in and back out. Controlled movement. Keep your abdominals very, very tight. You don't want any stress on the lower back here. Control. Just bring it back. Your buttocks will be hard in no time. That's it. Squeeze tight. Controlled movements and concentrate. What do you want the buttocks to look like? Your jeans are going to look better in no time. That's it. Keep going. 10 more seconds of these. That's it. Concentrate. 3, 2, 1. Okay, bend the leg up and slowly press it towards the ceiling. Little short pops. Foot is flexed. That's it. Come on now. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, now with the left leg. It's called a bent leg press. Nice and easy. Full range of movement. Press the leg towards the ceiling. Foot is flexed. Keep your abdominals nice and tight. You don't have to go up that high. Right there. Concentrate. That's it. Again, we're going 45 seconds. Beginners, work yourself into the program. There you go. These movements are safe, effective, and they're fun. 15 seconds worth of these. Let's go. Hang in there, gang. Come on now. 10 seconds. That's it. Squeeze it. Couple more. And release. Okay, let's pop it towards the ceiling. Concentrate and really squeeze tight. Those buns are getting hard. Come on, 10 seconds. Squeeze it up. Concentrate. Concentrate. And release. Whew, okay, other side. Bent leg. Right leg. In and back out. The foot is flexed towards the ceiling. It's a full range of movement. Very important. Full range. That's it. Squeeze tight. There you go. That's concentrate. Abdominals are rock hard. A nice streamlined look. There you go. How you guys doing? You feeling these? Very good. 15 seconds worth of these. Let's go. Concentrate. That's it. Abdominals are tight now. 5 more. Just 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's pop it up. You guessed it. Let's go. 15 seconds of pops. Oh, they're getting tight now. Squeeze. That's it. 5 seconds. 2, 1, and release. Okay, last movements here. The butt lift. Lift the legs straight up and bring it about 4 or 5 inches from the ground. Now, I'm not going up too high, notice. It's just a straight movement. Abdominals are rock hard, a streamlined look, gang. You're not going up too high. This protects the lower back. That's it. Tighten it up. Oh, I can feel these. There you go. Squeeze. Every movement, concentrate. And visualize, what do you want the body to look like? It's very important. It's a great exercise. You do it right. Squeeze up. 10 seconds. 10 seconds worth of these. Let's go. Couple more. 3, 2, 1. You guessed it. Pop it up. Pop it up. Come on, gang. You're hanging in there. Let's go. 10 seconds worth. That's it. Keep it tight. Well, they're burning now. 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, right leg. Straight up and release down. Straight up and down. Notice, only going about 4 or 5 inches from the ground. I'm not going up too high on the uprise. You're squeezing those buns. This feels good. That's it. 45 more seconds, gang. That's all you have in this exercise. We're done. Let's go. Tighten up. That's it. Keep it going. Couple more. Couple more. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, let's bend it up. Let's go. Pop it up towards the ceiling. Come on, your last 15 seconds here, gang. Let's go. Abs nice and tight. Abs are nice and firm. Helps control the lower back. Stabilization. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Those buns should be burning. You did a great job. I'll see you in 24 hours. Very good, guys. Good job.